What's up, everyone? This is my 2014 4th of July fireworks stash. I'm going to do a quick video. Over here I got all my 500 grams. I'm going to come back to that, show you guys all the little stuff. And actually, these are all my salutes. These are my loud stuff for during the day. I got a bunch of salute rockets. They're called Hornet Rocket. Really loud. Over here, got some salute candles called Big Boy. They're very big, very loud. And I got 8-ball Air Thunder Flash. Some more salute candles. And then just some normal candles. But if you can compare the size, those candles are very big compared to your normal Roman candles here. Just got some regular assorted ones. Over here you got some more salutes. King Tut, single shot salute. And over here I got these big snaps. I took one out here, it fell right there. Just throw these at the ground. They're very loud. And over here we got some, these things are very loud, like cherry bombs. Got a bunch of them, 2 packs. Firecrackers, some punks, fuse, bunch of screaming, crackling rockets. So this is pretty much for during the day. All my salutes, salute shells. Alright, and then over here I got an assortment. Just a bunch of mixed up cakes and fountains and shells. Some more little stuff, firecrackers, poppers, Roman candles, rockets. I got a box of X-Cows. Over here I got a case of 300 shot Saturn missile battery. 12 of them. Over here I got a 500 gram 36 shot Making It Rain. And come over here, I got all these 200 grams. I got a bunch of whistling cakes. I got some more X-Cal shells in there. Got a bunch. Come over here to all my 500 grams down there. I got a 750 shot Saturn missile. And I got all my 500s on top of it though. And then I got a 9-shot Tornado Strike. It's a 3-inch. Another 3-inch 9-shot Honor. 500 gram Flyover. Cruelty Double 33 shot. Shangri-La. These are all 500 grams. I have about 25 to 30 500. These are all my fan 500s. They're all fan-shaped cakes. 49 shots, 75 shot. Some more. I got some more cakes here. I got a bunch of more whistling stuff. Jumbo Saturn 16 shot. Love these cakes. Saturn missiles. Whistling Whirl Floral 61 shot. So yeah guys, that's it. This is all my fireworks. I'm gonna make one more trip, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick view. All my 500 grammers. My 200 grammers. Taped a few up right there. I'm gonna make some little shows. I got all my salutes.